Hi, I'm Anita from Needles and Hooks, and in today's crochet stitch tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the treble cross stitch. Now, if you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, join the Discord, the links are in the description below. This works on a multiple of 3 stitches, so I'm going to make a slip knot, and I'm going to chain 15. 1, try to do it loosely, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now row 1 is a setup row. It works on a 2-row repeat. Row 1 is just single crocheting into the chains. That doesn't count as the repeat. Rows 2 and 3 will do the repeat. So we're going to single crochet across in the second chain from the hook. So we should end up with 14 single crochets by the end of this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now for row 2, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn the work, and this counts as a double crochet. So since this chain 3 counts as a double crochet, we're not going to do anything into the base of the stitch. We're going to come over here. So you're going to yarn over twice to work your treble crochet. We're going to skip the next 2 single crochets, and we're going to go into this third one right here. And we're going to insert our hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and then pull through 2. And that's how you make your treble crochet. Then we're going to chain 1, and we're going to go into the first skipped single crochet, which is going to leave 1 single crochet in our starting row not worked. That's what the chain 1 takes care of. So we're going to yarn over twice, and we're going to go into the front, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now treble crochets can be a little tricky. Sometimes I will end up losing my hook through it, so I have to start the stitch over. I'm going to pull, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And that's 1 cross made. And you can see we worked into this stitch. So we're going to skip the next 2 single crochets right here and go into this one right there. So yarn over twice, skip those 2, go into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain 1, yarn over twice, go into the first skipped single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull, oh, see, I lost it. And that'll happen. You just got to give yourself patience. Yarn over twice, insert it into that first skipped single crochet again, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to do it again. Yarn over twice. We worked this stitch, so we need to skip these next 2 stitches right here and go into this one. I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain 1, yarn over twice, insert our hook into the first skipped single crochet. Then we yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to do it again. This should be the last cross of this row. We're going to skip these next 2 single crochets and go into this third one right here. If we don't lose our loops first, yarn over twice, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm having to manhandle it so I don't lose my stitches, and then yarn over and pull through 2, chain 1, go into this first skipped single crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to yarn over once and go into our last single crochet and make a double crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is what the second row looks like. The first row of our actual repeat right here. So for row 3, I'm going to chain 1 and turn. I'm going to single crochet in this first stitch here. So we should still end up with 14 single crochets. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. We're going to go into this treble crochet cross right here, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now there's this chain 1 that's right here. We're going to go into the center of this hole right here. Right there, I'm going to insert our hook in that area, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. I'm going to single crochet in this second half of our cross. And then we're going to go to the next set of crosses and do the same thing. We're going to single crochet in the first leg of that cross, single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in our second cross of that specific one, single crochet. Let's make sure we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a single crochet in the first set of that cross, single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in the last half of the cross. We're going to do the same thing. Single crochet in that leg, single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in this leg, and then we're going to single crochet in the top of the chain 3. Even though they call it a double crochet, it's still, to me, it's just a chain 3. So I need to make sure I'm going to put it 1, 2 right here. Now you can just go through just one part on it, which would probably be the easiest, but you see there's a second half of that stitch right there that I'm working into, so I'm going to single crochet into that, and that is our cross and our single crochet across. There should still be 14 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We'll do it one more time. I'm going to chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet, and turn our work. I'm going to yarn over twice, skip these 2 single crochets, go into this third single crochet, and perform our treble. chain 1, yarn over twice, perform a treble into the first skipped single crochet. And we're going to do the same thing all the way across. I'm going to skip these 2 single crochets and single crochet in the third one. Treble crochet, I mean. And a chain 1, yarn over twice into the first skipped single crochet. Another cross made, yarn over twice, skip the next 2, go into the third one, and perform your treble crochet. Chain 1, yarn over twice, treble crochet in the first skipped single crochet. And we got one more cross to go, yarn over twice, skip the next 2, insert into the next one to it, and treble crochet. Chain 1, yarn over twice, treble crochet in the first skipped single crochet. And then we're just going to perform a double crochet in our last single crochet here. So I'm going to yarn over once, insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 perhaps, and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. And then we're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're going to do our single crochet across in all of these stitches here. A single crochet in the first, one leg of the treble, single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in the last cross, single crochet in the first cross. Remember, go in between the 2 crosses for the chain 1 space. So we're going to single crochet in there, single crochet in the last treble crochet of that cross, and we keep going, making sure we do it in the chain 1 space as well as the 2 halves of our treble crochet cross. And one more here. And then we're going to single crochet in the top of that chain 3. Like I said, you could just do it through that part, but I'm going to do it through both. And there we go. And that is what we look like here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. The row repeat is row 2 and 3. This is what it looks like. Gives nice texture and like little peekaboo things to see through. And that's all for this stitch tutorial. And this is how our treble crochet cross pattern will look like. And let me know how you got on with this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.